Hey everyone, this is Daniel. This is my video blog for June 28, 2009. I've got a couple of quick updates I'm going to try to get out as fast as I can, so bear with me. Yeah, you may have noticed earlier I did actually have another video up, but I took it down because I noticed some changes were made. Basically, there was a bug in MySpace, and it caused me a few problems, and I thought that it was a different issue, but apparently it was not an issue. It was not the issue that I thought it was, so I took it down so people did not have to listen to it, because then I would be giving people wrong information. So I took it down, and this is the video replacement for that, which will basically include everything that I was going to say in the last video that was up but took down. Anyway, to the updates that actually do exist, Tuesday, it looks like, is going to be the target date, apparently, for the release of Mozilla Firefox 3.5. If that is the case, then I really would love to see the status meeting for SeaMonkey and Thunderbird on the 30th, because then I'll know for sure if they are going to have a code freeze. If they do, that would be great, because then obviously the release for SeaMonkey 2.0 Beta 1 and Thunderbird 3.0 Beta 3 will be based on Gecko 191 Final, and maybe a few bug fixes thrown in for the respective programs that need it, if they need any more bug fixes. But anyway, we'll just see what happens Tuesday on that. Also, there's going to be a little change in the way that I do my video blogs. This will start July 1st. Basically, what I'm going to do is that right now all the videos are in one playlist, except for the QA session that I did back on June 9th. There's one playlist. Everything has been in that one playlist, more or less. And maybe except for one video, it's besides the QA session ones. And people that are more interested in the Gecko updates rather than everything else that's going on would probably like to hear me talk about Gecko updates only in videos. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a new playlist. It's going to be labeled Gecko updates. That's where I'll be talking about anything based from Gecko, meaning Firefox, Thunderbird, SeaMonkey, etc. And when I upload videos that have nothing to do except for updates to Gecko, it'll be right there in the Gecko video blogs, in the Gecko video update playlist. And then everything else I talk about will be in the current playlist right now that I have labeled Daniel's Video Blogs. So basically, I'm moving Gecko related things to a different playlist, while everything else will remain in the current playlist that I have right now. You'll see what I'm talking about on July 1st, once I get the ball rolling on that. Also, once I get SeaMonkey 2.0 Beta 1, my optimized build of it out, I am going to take a little hiatus for a little bit, so I can clear my mind a little bit and resort some of my priorities, because right now, excuse me, right now some of my priorities just are not in the right order, and it's causing a couple of problems, and so I need to sort out those priorities before anything majorly bad goes wrong or something because of the way that my current priorities are. So I'm going to be off the computer for a lot. I won't be on near as much at all, if any, during this time. I'll try to at least get maybe 1 or 2 video blogs a week up if I feel like it at that time. But for right now, I just need to get my head straight and everything. So once I get my optimized build of SeaMonkey 2.0 Beta 1 out, I'm gonna basically just move myself away from computers and weather for a while, and clear my head and get my priorities straight. Maybe that'll help me in the long run, because it sure can't hurt me any worse than it already has. But yeah, with all that being said, do look for another video blog, probably on the 30th. I should have plenty of updates on Gecko by then. At least where I know if Mozilla Firefox 3.5 final has been released or not, and also whether the code freeze for SeaMonkey and Thunderbird have occurred, or will occur, or won't occur. We'll know all that by then, obviously. But anyway, until that time, I am Daniel Jeter, and I will see you next time.